Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shelly, and for those of you who are new, to all my oldies but goodies, welcome. It's always a pleasure having you. So today I'm partnering up with Rose Forever New York in their Pink October campaign, and they were kind enough to send me this beautiful bouquet. And this is what I will be reviewing for you today. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, please keep on watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. I'll also have a coupon code in the description bar below, and I'll also leave it on the screen so you guys can go ahead and check them out. So with that out the way, let's get right into the video. As we know, October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, but it doesn't just stop in the month of October. We have ladies out here who are faced with this dreadful disease all year round, every day, all day. So ladies, I'm encouraging you today to make sure that you get your breast examination done. Breast health is very important, and that is why I am so excited today to be partnering up with Rose Forever New York on their Pink October campaign. So this is the bouquet that I received, and this is in a round suede velvety box, and I am loving it. This is very classy, it's very girly, and I can't wait to show you guys what it looks like. So Rose Forever New York is a New York based company, and they design handcrafted roses that last for an entire year. I have worked with this company before, so I do know what to expect when it comes to the roses. They are beautiful, they are amazing, and they smell so good. I also have the last one that I received last year, and it is still standing. So I know what I'm speaking of when I speak of Rose Forever New York. It's just an amazing company. So with this box, I receive a pink set of roses, and look at this. This is so gorgeous. And the bouquets do come in round or square boxes. You have a variety of color roses to choose from, also a variety of color boxes. I was so happy when I received this color because it fits my home decor very well, and this arrangement has 16 pieces of roses, which is a lot. And I also love that I received the round box because it will fit on my coffee table perfectly. If you're looking classy, luxurious, elegant roses that are customized just for you, Rose Forever New York is the place. They provide superior roses for any occasion. Could it be your wedding, anniversary, birthdays, Valentine's, Christmas? They have a wide variety. So this brings me to the end of this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out the description bar below. I do have a coupon code to share with you. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.